Good morning, Standard 10. Let's proceed our chapter Light. उम्मीद है कि आपको रूल्स समझ में आ गया होगा. फिर भी in spite of that, once I am revising and then I'll make you remember how you will use two rules and find out the image of an object at different positions. तो एक एक करके हम आपको याद दिला दें. First rule was, when a ray of light is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes through focus. Second rule, just opposite of that, when a ray of light is incident to focus and strike the mirror, then it passes, after reflection, it passes parallel to the principal axis. And third rule was that when a ray of light is incident to center of curvature and strikes the mirror, after reflection, it retraces back in its own path. तो आज हम लोग देखेंगे ray diagram for formation of image by concave mirror. And let's start with the first image formation, that is when an object is at infinity. Object जब infinity पे हो तो physics में ये assume किया जाता है कि whatever the ray of light is coming from infinite distant object, that is parallel to each other. So students, you also draw with me so that you will get clear. See here, I have drawn the concave mirror, I have drawn the principal axis, and now it's time to apply the rule. So for the first case, means when object is at infinity, बस आप first rule को दो बार apply कर दीजिए. क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ा हमें दो रे का? यस, इमेज वही बनता है जहाँ पे दो रिफ्लेक्टेड या रिफ्रैक्टेड रे डायरेक्टली मीट करे या इनडायरेक्टली मीट करे, सपोज टू बी मीट करे. सो हियर आई एम अप्लाइंग फर्स्ट रूल. सो सी, फर्स्ट रूल वाज when a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, see I have drawn, when a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes through focus. So कुछ नहीं करना है, बस रूल्स अप्लाई कर देना आँख बंद करके, और फर्स्ट रूल हर जगह अप्लाई होगा. सो यू सी, आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट passes through focus. फर्स्ट रूल आई हैव ड्रॉन, बट आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑल्सो कि अगर कोई इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट हो तो वॉट एवर द रेज आर कमिंग पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. सो इसका पैरेलल एक और रे हम ले लें. सो हियर आई एम टेकिंग व्हेन अ रे ऑफ लाइट इज पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन it passes through focus. So see here, after reflection it passes through focus. अब देखो, now you see both the reflected ray, one reflected ray is this one, another reflected ray is this one, both the reflected ray is meeting at the point focus, means they directly meet at a point focus. So let's find the characteristics of image. What will be the characteristics of image? First, where is the position? By seeing ray diagram you can answer me. Position is at F. Then what is the size? You are seeing that both are meeting at a point, so you can write point size or highly diminished. Diminished means very small and highly diminished means very very small. बहुत छोटा फिर बहुत बहुत छोटा, जिसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं पॉइंट साइज. एंड देन यू सी व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ इमेज. नेचर में आई थिंक you are remembering we have studied that when two reflected ray directly meet at a point, at that point real image forms, and real always inverted. Real is always inverted. So nature will be real and inverted. Size will be point size. Position is at F. So this is the characteristics of the image when object is at infinity. Then students, what is the use of that? Application. Where is its application? Its application is to collect heat radiation in solar devices. Nowadays you are seeing that we are generally trying to use alternative source of energy, and alternative source of energy, the main source is solar energy. So here solar furnaces is used for heating purpose, and TV satellite dishes. You are seeing the news and all that channels. They are what they are using. They are using this TV satellite dishes. In that they are using solar panel for electricity as well as solar furnace for heating anything. So here why now you see, आपको भी लग रहा होगा ना कि क्यों सोलर फर्नेस में यूज करें. यस, अगर फर्नेस के ऊपर इफ यू जस्ट फिट द कनकेव मिरर, सो यू विल सी दैट वॉट एवर द रे इज कमिंग फ्रॉम इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस, all the ray will meet at a focus, and at a focus temperature will increase, and as the temperature will increase, you can do any work. So here we can also use for this solar cooker. सोलर कुकर में भी अगर आप उसके ऊपर लगा देते हैं कनकेव मिरर को, तो दैट मीन्स ऑल द रेज आर मीटिंग एट वन पॉइंट, एंड वेयर द रेज आर मीटिंग एट वन पॉइंट, देयर यू कीप अ बाउल with what you have to boil in it. You will find that at that point temperature increases and we can able to cook. So its use is solar furnace, solar cooker, TV satellite dishes, all this. See the next one. Next position is when object is beyond the center of curvature. So stepwise we are proceeding forwards, that this is the concave mirror and object is at infinity. So object is proceeding towards the concave mirror. So now we will discuss when it is beyond the center of curvature. So you see, just I have drawn the concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center of curvature. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको हम हर बार बताए हैं कि पोल से फोकस जितनी दूरी होगी, जितना डिस्टेंस होगा, उतना फोकस से सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर भी होगा. तो दोनों आप सेम लेना नहीं भूलिए, नहीं तो फिर कहीं ना कहीं मिस्टेक हो जाएगा. सो हियर आई एम शोइंग यू ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. सो सी माई ऑब्जेक्ट इज हियर बियॉन्ड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. अब क्या करें? आप भी सोचेंगे अब क्या करें. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, कुछ नहीं करना है. वी हैव स्टडीड 3 रूल्स. तीनों में से 2 अप्लाई करना है, एंड बाय अप्लाइंग द 2 रूल वेयर 2 रिफ्लेक्टेड रे डायरेक्टली मीट एट अ पॉइंट, वही तो इमेज होगा. तो फर्स्ट रूल इज एप्लीकेबल एवरीवेयर, इसीलिए बिना सोचे यू अप्लाई फर्स्ट रूल. डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग, जस्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू अप्लाई द फर्स्ट रूल. First rule is ray of light parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passes through focus. So I have applied first rule. Students, again be careful. Your incident ray must touch the arrow, means tips of the object. सपोज अगर कोई रे ऑफ लाइट इसको टच नहीं किया और ऊपर से चला गया, देन दैट इफ दैट रिफ्लेक्टेड रे विल एंटर इन अ आई, कैन वी एबल टू सी द इमेज? नो. सो ray or incident ray must touch the object and full object, so that whatever the reflected is coming from this incident and enters in our eyes, तभी हम देख पाएंगे उस ऑब्जेक्ट को. That's why we are giving arrow mark on the object so that there is one tips, and from there the incident ray is going. From source incident ray is coming and it is passing through, touching the tips of object, and then it strikes the mirror and we have got the apply the first rule. अब क्या करें? Yes, really we are thinking now what we will do. कुछ नहीं करें. Either you apply second rule or you apply third rule. By both the rule you will get the result. So here I am applying third rule and your work is you apply second rule and then send me the answer, that ray diagram. So here you see I am applying the third rule. Third rule says that when a ray is passing through center of curvature, incident ray is passing through center of curvature. After reflection, this is your incident ray. After reflection, it retraces back in its own path. So same, it goes back. It does not changes its direction. So what you have got, student? This is one of the reflected ray and this is another reflected ray. Both the ray meet at this point. So at meeting point you draw one arrow mark. Just see, you draw one arrow mark. This is your object. This is your image. Now you are also thinking कि हम कैसे याद रखेंगे? How should I remember the characteristics? कोई याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. By seeing the ray diagram आप खुद आंसर कर सकते हो. कैसे? Now you see it. Now let's write the characteristics of image. First of all, its nature. Nature means whether it is real or it is virtual. तो आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं ना, the two reflected rays directly meeting at a point. When two reflected rays directly meet at a point, at that point always form real. और real हमेशा क्या होता है? Inverted. Inverted. Then you are seeing position. इसी में देख के आप हमें बता देंगे तुरंत. Position between C and F. Between C and F. And size. Size you see. Size is smaller than object. अगर आप compare करेंगे, if you will compare size of the image and size of the object, you find size of the image is smaller than size of the object. So you write smaller than size of object. Next condition is when object is at C, means center of curvature. How you will draw? So first you draw the concave mirror, then draw the principal axis as I have drawn here, and then focus, center of curvature, same distance from pole to focus and focus to center of curvature, and object is kept at center of curvature. So see here I have kept the object at center of curvature. After that, keeping the object, then again we have to think which two formula we will apply and we will get the result. Yes, we first of all rule we have to apply. पहला rule आराम से आप apply कर दीजिए. So see, first rule I have applied, where a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, this one, and after reflection it passes through focus. Then we have to think about second and third rule. दोनों में से कौन यूज कर सकते हैं? थर्ड रूल भी cannot apply क्योंकि वो सेंटर से कैसे पास होगा? सेंटर पे ही तो ऑब्जेक्ट है. ऑब्जेक्ट is at center. So how the ray will pass through center? So only option is for second rule. So second rule I have applied. You see, when a ray of light passes through focus, after reflection it is parallel to the principal axis. So you see, this is one of the reflected ray and this is another reflected ray, and both the reflected ray has met at center of curvature at C. So I have drawn the image at C. And next, how you will write the characteristics? Again you see the character that you will write it. First of all, position. Very simple. Position where it forms at center of curvature, at C only. So this is only one case where object is at C as well as image is at C. Next you see the size. If you will measure both, you will find that size of image is equal to size of this object. So what we will get it? Size of image is equal to size of object. दोनों ही बराबर होगा, size of object. And then third one, nature. Nature तो आपको दिख ही रहा है. You are seeing only nature. The two reflected rays directly meeting at point. तो क्या होगा? Real, and real is always inverted. So it is inverted. So students, it's very easy. By applying the rules we are doing it. What is the use of this? Use of this case. This means this case when object is at center of curvature. Uses of this is reflecting mirror for projector as well as lamps we are using. तो कभी कभी ये क्वेश्चन में पूछ देता है कि which mirror is used in projector? Show it by ray diagram. आप क्या करेंगे? Simply concave mirror is used in projector and show it by ray diagram. तो when object is at infinity में ये ray diagram आप show कर दीजिए. You will get the full marks. It's very easy. See the next one. When an object is in between focus and center of curvature, आप देख रहे हैं हर एक एक स्टेप हम लोग आगे बढ़े. We are just proceeding. Object is proceeding towards the mirror. First infinity में, फिर beyond center of curvature, फिर at center of curvature. अब हम लोग फोर्थ में कहाँ आ गए? Between center of curvature and focus. तो आप देखिए, I have drawn the mirror. This is focus, center of curvature, and in between this I am placing the object. So this is my object. Again student, I have told you first rule everywhere applicable. So apply the first rule without thinking anything. First rule, just see, parallel to principal axis, after reflection, passes through focus. So you see we have got this. Now you have to think remaining two rule, दोनों में कौन सा applicable होगा कि हमको आंसर मिल जाए. For this case both the rules are applicable, no problem. Second rule also you apply, that object passes through center of curvature and after reflection, focus, and after reflection parallel to principal axis. And third one also you can apply, that if any ray of light, just see I am applying third and you will apply second and do use complete your ray diagram. So see third one, object को touch करते हुए C में आते हुए, just see I have drawn this one. So you have got, this is the incident ray strikes the mirror and reflected ray comes back. So where you are getting meeting point is this one. So where we have got the image? We have got image is this one. So you see, this is the image, that is I, and this is object O. Now you have to, every time you have to write characteristics of image. अब इसके characters में हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? Just to say it, बहुत easy है, it's very easy. First of all, write nature. Nature you are seeing that both the reflected ray is directly meeting at a point, so it is real, and real is always inverted. Then you will see what is the position. Position is beyond C. C के पीछे बना है इमेज, so it is beyond C. Beyond C. And what is the size? Size देखिए आप. If you will measure the object and image, अगर आप मेजर करोगे तो ये 1 सेंटीमीटर है, तो ये 2 या 3 सेंटीमीटर है, मीन्स enlarged, और we can write magnified. Magnified means बड़ा. Magnified. So like this. Now see, nothing to remember. Easily you are doing all the ray diagram. Uses कहाँ है इसका? Its use is in floodlights. तो अगर क्वेश्चन आ गया कि which mirror is used in floodlights, you can write concave mirror and show it by ray diagram. आप ये ray diagram बना दो जहाँ पे object is in between center of curvature and focus, and you will get the full marks. And one more thing, please don't forget the arrow. So